There's a problem with wood grain vinyl plank flooring, and that problem is sometimes you get a creep in the planks and you get a problem like this. This is what happens. They start to separate out. How do we fix that? All right, first of all, we clean out the crack. Get a screwdriver or something pointed like that. Loosen up all the dirt. Get all the crud out. Then get some good wood glue. I'm going to go with the Tight Bond Ultimate Wood Glue. And we're going to run a little bead of the wood glue in here. Not much. I don't think it'll take a lot. Next, you get an old piece of 2x4 and you put two-sided tape onto the 2x4. Peel off the other side so these are sticky and it's stuck to the 2x4 now. We're going to lay this down, sticky side down, onto the plank. Get our hammer. This is the fun part. No more crack. The glue should cure and hold it and keep it from sliding any further. That's how you fix these things. Thanks for looking.